C position. 1, this is finger 1, this is finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. This is like a signed seating. Your 1 goes on C and it stays there. Your 2 goes on D and it stays there. Your 3 goes on E and it stays there. Your F is played by finger 4 and finger 4 stays there, and your pinky, finger 5, goes on G and it stays there. Now, how do you hold your fingers? What position should they be in? Your 1, your thumb, is at an angle. Let me show you from the side. It's at an angle, see? It's not a dive bomber. It's not a huge flat thumb. It's not your knuckle. It's the edge of your thumb like that. When you play these notes, lift your wrist. Don't just lift your thumb like this. Lift your wrist. Drop the edge right onto that C. Now what about this finger? Well, it's finger 2 and it's curved. This joint's curved, this joint's curved, and this joint's curved. They're all curved. What about these knuckles here? These knuckles. They're supposed to kind of point up in the air like this. They're not supposed to be smashed down like this. They're supposed to point. It's like you're holding a tennis ball. I don't have one here, but if you're holding a tennis ball, your hand is in that shape. Actually, if you just hang your arm down from your shoulder, just hang it down loose and bring it up in the air, it'll be in about that shape. That's the shape for piano. So look, put your head down there and look at the side. Does your hand look like that? Or does it look like this? That's not what we want. Does it look like this? That's not what we want. We want this shape. So 1 is on C, 2 is on D. The pad of your finger, that's what plays. Not just the tip and not your whole finger, just the pad when it's at that angle. Wonder what it looks like from this side. The pinky looks like a hook. It's not flat. It's not a dive bomber. It's a hook. What does it look like from the top? From the side? From sort of eye position? Wrist up, wrist down. If you can't play all these 5 notes at once, then just play one at a time. 1 on C, 2 on D, your wrist comes up every time. 3 on E, wrist comes up. 4 on F, 5 on G. If you can play them all at once, do like this. When your wrist goes down like that, it's okay for the thumb, to be it's not the edge anymore. Anyway, right hand, C position.